We're seeing an explosion in tools and projects that are quite powerful from a productivity perspective. An example would be OpenClaw, formerly known as Moltbot and Clawdbot. That is a very popular open source project that is completely free. However, with that project, there are many risks that come through your supply chain. For example, Clawdbot uses things called skills, which are downloadable plugins essentially that expand its capabilities. And a security researcher named Jameson O'Reilly did an experiment where he could see if he could inflate the popularity of a skill and have people download it. And he didn't actually do anything to their computers, but he determined that he was able to cause many people to execute arbitrary code on their machines while they thought they were using Clawdbot skills. And he published his findings and warned people about this risk. The problem is that he's not the only one doing these types of things, and he's probably one of the few people that's actually ethical in the way he's doing this type of work. There are malicious actors out there that are using, for example, Clawdbot skills to try to steal cryptocurrency, to perform data exfiltration. So organizations need to be careful when they are allowing these new AI agents to roll out. And some things I recommend are applying physical or virtual sandboxes. So maybe create a dedicated virtual machine or use a dedicated laptop to do your experimentation. Limit the type of data access that these types of agents have the ability to get. So that means don't let them pull confidential information right off the bat. Maybe use them for marketing or for generating images, things like that, until you're confident in what you're doing. And then third of all, apply traditional software supply chain security measures. So do software composition analysis to understand the dependencies of these things. Do code review for open source projects to understand exactly what these things are doing. And then also come up with an allowable list of components that you can bring into your environment.